Hey guys, it's Kristen at Electric Fireplaces Direct. Today I'm with Modern Ember at their showroom and I'm going to walk you through their Highmark fireplace. Before I get started, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, which is going to help us bring more amazing content of electric fireplaces to you. You can also follow us on our social media channels, which will give you the latest updates in electric fireplaces on the market today. All right, let's dig in. So this is their Highmark Linear series. This also comes in a traditional firebox, so don't worry, no matter what you're looking for, they've made a Highmark for you. This unit is awesome because it has this angled glass, which makes that vent hidden up at the top for that really sleek modern feel. It also helps with the air circulation, pushing that flame forward. This guy's wired to 120 volts, which gives you about 5,000 BTUs, which is equivalent to about 400 square feet of space. This comes in 5 different sizes and fits perfectly into a 2x6 wall. This awesome frame detail that they put in really highlights and draws the eye into this amazing flame effect that they've been able to capture. The flames come in 100 different combinations, and you can operate the flame color and the ember bed separately. What I love that they did here was they offered you these driftwood logs that come with the unit, along with the smoked glass and clear glass ember bed media, which gives you that natural ember burning effect with this electric fireplace unit. What's great about Modern Ember too is that they have different add-on log options. If these ones aren't right for you, they have another driftwood set and as well as a real cut log option. Those are going to fit perfectly in this Highmark series, and we have those on electricfireplacesdirect.com, or our knowledgeable sales staff can direct you to the right place to go to get the right log choice for you. This unit can be operated with the remote, this sleek touch panel that's hidden underneath the unit, as well as their app, and it'll even work with Alexa or your Google Home device. This unit can be installed either by plug-in or by hardwiring it. Either way, you want to make sure you have a dedicated 2-way circuit running just to your fireplace here. If you have any issues with it when you're installing this piece, make sure you run out to your breaker box and you flip that switch, and that's going to reset the unit for you, and then you can go ahead and start toggling through all the options. But if you run into any trouble, don't worry, reach out to our knowledgeable sales staff and they'll run you through how to get this guy working. If you're doing a luxury build for your home, your condo, or even a commercial space, this is going to be the unit for you. With all of its features at this price point, it is unbeatable on the market. These flames are reaching all the way up in this 18-inch viewing area, and it's going to bring you that modern, realistic feel of an electric fireplace to your home or to your commercial space.